Samuel, I've got another question related to your accountant. So, what is the rise of cloud accounting and automation? How has the role of accountants evolved and what does the future looks like for the profession?
So cloud accounting, automation, and AI. Yes. So
AI.
so okay, let's put it in the short way. I think the accountants who don't have cloud accounting in this day and age are like 50 years ago when you had to go with the box of paperwork to the accountant, because you as a client should be able to log in and see 24/7 your financial reports, and you should actually ask your accountant why this is not updated. So that's cloud accounting, that it's visible for you as a client 24/7, and that you can actually measure and control how fast everything is done from the accountant side. So you don't currently see many accountants who don't use cloud accounting.
Okay.
So I think again now it's a norm, and now implementing AI and automation, again, it's another era where accountants will need to adjust so the clients see the benefits.
All right. Cool. Thank you for that. So moving forward, what the key financial metrics should business owner focus to ensure the long-term profitability and sustainability?
Okay, it depends on the size of the business, but for most small and medium-sized businesses, of course, you measure your revenue, your profit, gross profit, net profit, and you need to measure your different ratios. So you need to calculate different ratios. So the most common ones are gross profit margin, net profit margin, what's your interest rate, what's your debt coverage ratio if you have any loan, what are debtors days and creditors days, which means how fast you are getting money from your customers or clients, or how fast you are paying your suppliers. Yeah, so there are few commonly used key performance indicators or ratios, but the bigger the business, the more ratios you need to implement, because you need to measure various other things. Yes.
All right. Thank you, Samuel. Moving forward, another question. How can strategic accounting practice contribute to the business growth beyond the compliance and the tax planning?
Okay, so the basic level of accounting is the compliance. Yes, compliance means that you are compliant, you obey the rules of the country. Yes.
Okay.
So that's the minimum. Every accountant or every bookkeeper basically can provide compliance. If they can't, they shouldn't be doing the profession. So it means they calculate tax return or corporation tax properly without any mistakes. They submit everything to the revenue. That's compliance. It means that you don't break the rules or the law. Yes, that's compliance. Then you can have another level where basically you want more information. So it can be management accounting. Strategic accounting is that you expect from your accountant to maybe sit down with you, have a meeting, and do the forecast, do the budgeting, and look into the future. So yes, strategic means, okay, where is my business now? What should I do to move my business to such and such level in maybe 12 months' time?
All right. Thank you, Samuel. Next question. What are some of the biggest tax-saving opportunities for small and medium-sized business, and how can they take advantage of the legal and ethically?
Okay. This meeting is not about, taxation. So I'll just give you one example from the point of maybe your own experience. So, for example, groups. Yes, so if you have profitable businesses, you should be thinking about setting up a group or a holding company, because it gives you more flexibility what to do with profits, how to utilize your profit without paying tax separately in each company. You may have a company which is not profitable, maybe it's making loss. So the group or the holding structure would allow you to move these resources and make it more efficient and tax efficient. So yeah, if you just want one example, that would be my example. But as I said, this is not a lecture about taxation.
Okay, thank you.